On a road again, chilling. How's it, guys? I'm still in Port Elizabeth. I'm at Paradise Cove, coffee and 420 shop. Come have a look. Really cool spot this. Private membership club. Got some merch, nice decor. I love the surf vibe, really, really nice. Coffee's on tap. And then the really, really cool entrance. The right signage, all the right paperwork, everything one needs in this industry. And then voila, love it. So the thing, I've been here before, and the thing that caught my mind was the bean bags. The fish tank wasn't here either. Gotta love the fish. The beanbag vibe is really, really cool. It's special, it's unique. Community, it's comfort. Note the Lion of Judah again. Surfboard's really rad. Some Lego. The lighting's nice. The lighting's easy on the eyes. Skateboarding captures the cannabis culture really well, especially I would imagine the youth market to a degree because of the skateboarding. Not that older people don't skateboard. They've got like an island style pub vibe going there, which is really, really nice, really tasteful. If you pan up onto the roof, you'll see the roof artwork. I do this in my home because I get a bit bored of looking at the roof with nothing on it. There's a beautiful Scalextrics. What are those things called? Those cars, radio control car up there, really, really nice. So once again, looking at the intrinsic nature and taste of the owners coming through in stores, which I think is really, really important. And if you can't put your heart into a store, then I think in part the consumer's not going to feel your brand. So all the major multi-store owners, and I know a lot of them, most of them have been in keeping with putting a small part of themselves into the store. And I think the cannabis industry lives on heart and the community. And as long as you get those values right and you're authentic to yourself, then you walk into spaces like this and you can feel the welcome and the love. Just roll with us, keep rolling.